Grant here again, MCP. Check this out. This is the air cutoff cover from the CVK40 that is fitted in the KLR650. Now, there's been a few issues lately with these, and as you can see, this one has some residue here, so it was obviously leaking, it looks like, at one time. Now, check this out. All I'm doing is rocking it back and forth. So even my one on my spare carb is bent. Luckily, with the creation of the cutoff mod, we can now have these block plates to seal that cavity, because you no longer need to use this. You don't use the spring, you don't use the diaphragm in there. This completely deletes that whole system, which is problematic. And we just really found another issue with it. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Have a look, check out our store. Have a good day.